Hey, it's Christian here, Honda the Avenues. Wanted to show y'all something really special. This one's priced $5,000 below retail value, so it's something that can handle some negative equity if you got a trade-in. Also, all the service records are great, brand new tires. This is a special. Y'all are gonna love. So this is our 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. It's got the LED lights up front. It's got the proximity sensors, pre-collision system, the panoramic moonroof, nice alloy wheels with brand new tires. Everything's been serviced perfect. It's also got the lane departure alert and the blind spot monitors, as well as a backup camera, tow package. I mean, this thing is perfect. Let me show you guys the inside. So this was about a $50,000-$60,000 car, brand new. So the interior, it just reeks luxury. Non-smoker vehicle. Does have the WeatherTech mats, as well as your latches for car seats. No damage here. It's got the power lift gate. Easy peasy. Rear passenger area, really nice space back here. Plenty of leg room, comfortable seating. Also got the rear AC, a little bit of storage there for everybody. Up front, look at these seat controls. Memory settings there as well. You got your mirrors, they go in and out. Check out this beautiful display. 3 garage door openers, Mercedes-Benz SOS. So this definitely wasn't a base model. You got the same seat controls over there. Navigation on this vehicle, push button start. Check this out. Benz, only 46,000 miles. Not a single thing wrong with it. Check this out, perfectly maintained, owned by an older couple. Beautiful engine in here, check it out. No rust, no corrosion, no issues. Great vehicle. Thanks for letting me show you this beautiful 2016 Mercedes-Benz. Y'all let me know we got it reduced. We've had it for a little while. It's at 27,000 and some change. The book out on it's around 33,000. So, I mean, really great deal. Let me know. I'm gonna list my number in the contact information. So if you want, just text me. Let's set up a test drive. But you're gonna love this luxury vehicle.